Put your sticks down. I know we want to play. 1, 2, ready, now read. Do,
do, huckleberry do, huckleberry jello, jello, do, do, huckleberry do, huckleberry jello, do.
Okay, so that was the whole rhythm. Now we're going to play it for you with our drums. Okay, so now we're going to stick our drums up. We really want you to see them, but it's kind of hard to play and have you see them at the same time, so it's a little hard to show them off. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, ready, here we go. Wow, that was good. Let's do it one more time. Let's do it a little faster. 1, 2, ready, here you go now. Wow, that was pretty good. Yeah, very nice. Okay, let's put our sticks down, our drums down.